friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make mermaid slime. Now let's quickly open this and see what all things are there inside this. Now let's open. Oh wow. Inside this there is an instruction sheet, two blue bottles, activator, color, some ice cream sticks, spoon, beaker, some beads and some shells and droppers. Yes, we have got some symbols also. Let's quickly begin. I'm very excited. I have already made the activator. Now I'll take one bottle of flour and empty it. I'll mix it for some time. And then take the dropper and fill that in it. And put it. Two drops. Beginning to form like a slime. I'll add few more drops of activator. The slime is formed. Take some drops of activator in my hand and then take the slime. See. It's time for the color. Now let's add the color. Which color is it? This is teal color. I'll add few drops. Now I'll add few more drops of it. Isn't it looking such a beautiful ocean color? The slime is formed. Now I'll add some beads. First I'll flat it. Now I'll add some beads. Added in some of the beads. Now it's time for the shells. Now I'll mix it. Oh, I saw one shell. See. See the slime. The shells are coming out. I'm enjoying playing with the slime. See the shells. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, this is a mermaid shell. In this there is a pearl, a real pearl I got. Now it's having fun playing with my mermaid slime. So let me open and play again. Let's stick on the cap. It's looking like an ocean is in my hand and I'm playing with it. Bye! Meet you in the next video. Don't forget